Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If this is your first time stopping onto the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's content. Just a quick disclaimer as always that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $840 billion, up 1.9% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 37%. Looking across the board, we are starting to see a little bit of green across the board over the last 24 hours, as you guys can see. But let's hang on and not get too excited right now because the overall market is still extremely bearish, and we need to keep that factor in mind before we start getting excited. But today, guys, I want to look further into CurveDAO because something very interesting is happening with CurveDAO, and I believe it needs coverage. So let's get right into that. Looking at the price of CurveDAO right now, you guys can see it is currently trading at 65.5 cents, up 28.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 26.1% in Bitcoin and 25.8% in Ethereum comparative over just the last 24 hours. So right now, it's no secret that CurveDAO is outperforming the entire market with a big margin. And, the overall ranking in the cryptocurrency market rank is still at that top 81 spot. So that's definitely something nice to see. But if we're looking at the overall market cap, you guys can see it is currently trading at it's currently sitting at 418.2 million. But look at what's happening with the 24-hour trading volume. It's up massively. The 24-hour trading volume for Curve right now is more than double its market cap, currently sitting at $1 billion. So let's look at what's happened over the past few months. You guys can see CurveDAO is down 84.4% over the last 1 year, which should not be a secret right now because we are in a bear market. But most importantly, if we're looking at the shorter time frame in the last 7 to 24 hours, you guys can see we are starting to see a rebound. So what is causing this? What has caused this massive move towards the upside? We will get into that in this video. As you guys can see, this right here is the price charts for the price of Curve over the past few years. You guys can see since its launch, this is the historic price pattern. You guys can see it has been in the market since 2020, but it hit an all-time high last year of $6.82. And since then, it has retraced quite a bit. To be exact, it's down about 91.1% since all-time high. Again, we're in a bear market. I like showing my viewers, the price historic chart to see really what the price has been doing and where it could be going in the immediate short term. So this is the bigger picture, but now let's zoom into the charts and see what exactly has been happening over the past few months and where is the price going in the immediate short term. So right now, one thing I want you guys to pay attention is to the volume. You guys can see not much has been going on, but look, all of a sudden we have seen, not this one. What's going on? I don't even know what's going on. My apologies on this, guys. Here, let's get rid of that. You guys can see over here, not much buying pressure was coming in for the price of Curve, but now you guys can see we hit a massive amount of volume for the first time ever before even this dip, this massive crash. So what's going on? That's the question that might be on everyone's mind, and I will explain as to what I think is happening. You guys can see the price of Curve back on May after that massive crash in the Bitcoin's price caused it to drop back down to these levels. It broke this level of support at that $1.65 mark and went down to this support line. And this support line around that $1.20 is very massive. And we even broke out of that, set a yearly low back on June 19th. And just a few weeks ago, 2 weeks ago after that, Bitcoin, excuse me, guys, I'm under the weather, so my apologies on that. But if we're looking at the overall price, you guys can see after the Bitcoin price dip, after the FTX collapse, you guys can see we hit a yearly low again at 39.8 cents. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys for that, you guys can see it's up 62% since then. So what is causing this price reaction, especially on the positive end, especially when we're in a bear market? What is causing this? What I believe is causing it is I was reading that there was a massive amount of shorts piling up on CRV over the past few weeks because the project is going through a massive FUD right now, especially after the FTX collapse. a lot of FUD has been going on, but I believe what has happened is whales took manipulation of this and started, they started longing rather than shorting, and that caused a short squeeze to occur. And you guys can see we have seen a massive spike towards the upside, but now comes a question: are we going to continue this upwards trend and see us go to this $1.24 $1.21 level of resistance and break out of there, and most importantly get back above this $1.64 mark? Is that a possibility right now? Could we see that happen? Because obviously we are seeing a lot of longs come in right now. Is that a possibility? It could definitely be a possibility right now, depending on what's going behind the scenes, because at the end of the day, we do not know what's happening behind the scenes. Whales manipulate these markets, especially when it comes to futures trading. And I believe that's exactly what has happened. And that's why we have seen a massive amount of volume come in just today. And this could continue. This honestly could continue considering the overall buying pressure that's coming in. But we do need to keep the price of Bitcoin in mind as well. We are sitting at 16,200, set a yearly low, double bottom yesterday, but that does not mean we're out of the woods just yet. Basically the first level of support or resistance where we need to be really sitting at is the 78.6, but most importantly the 22k mark. But I still believe we are in for more downwards trend as far as Bitcoin is concerned. But overall, curve is looking quite well. Obviously the nice spot where I do need to see curve go is above this level of resistance, which is at the $1.21 mark. That would be very nice to see, because that would basically mean that it's been above that for the first time ever since September 11th. So that would be definitely something nice to see, but only time is going to tell as to what is going on. But I would love to know your thoughts down below, the viewers, people that are part of the community. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think's causing this massive spike in the price, especially the volume? What is going on? Is there something that we do not know that's happening? I would love to know your thoughts down below in the comment section, and let me know what we should be looking at, what your overall market sentiment is, yeah, I would love to know your thoughts down below. And also let me know if you guys want me to continue making CRV updates or any other altcoin. Let me know in the link comment down below. And also let me know what team you guys are rooting for if you guys are watching the FIFA World Cup, because FIFA World Cup is going on. There's a lot of fear in the markets right now, but we have such a major tournament going on around the world right now. So let me know if there are any soccer fans here that are watching soccer on a daily basis and which country you're rooting for. Let me know, guys. Come, let's engage and let's really have fun here, because obviously around this time we could be having a lot of uncertainty, which to be honest is fair to have, but having a nice conversation with someone could be nice, and build connections within the space. So come join the Crypto ZX army, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.